In the first lesson, we want to introduce and talk about the user interface of ShareX. Double click to open it. When you open the software, you saw this window that you can see the hotkey and description. For example, if you want to capture a region, you have to hold Control and then print a screen. If you want to capture entire scene of your monitor, it's usually print a screen, but I use another software beside this ShareX, and that software is print a screen, and this software is Control F20. I set it here. I told you in next lessons. If you want to stop or start screen recording, you can hit Shift and print screen, and if you want to make a GIF, you can Control Shift print screen. You can change it anytime that you want. This software has a simple menu that all tools and everything that you software is in these menus. The first menu is a capture. You can capture, for example, full screen, window, region, anything that you want is here. After you capture your screen, you can upload it, upload file or upload folder in upload website. This is workflow. You can specify this, which task or which workflow software do. For example, make a GIF, record video. These are workflow that you can add workflow. These are tools. There are a lot of interesting tools like color picker, ruler, image editor, video converter, or QR code generator are here. After capture, what does the software do for us? After capture, for example, show task menu, copying image clipboard, or anything that you want. After upload, what does the software do for us? Or destination, you can specify the path of for upload website, destination setting of your screenshot folder, or anything that when you capture your screen, the store here. You can specify that, set that. This is application setting. In many tabs, you can change the application settings. And the hotkey setting here, you can set your or specify your hotkeys to do. And here is a screenshot folder in this path. That is my screenshot is here in this path. This software categorize the screenshots in mouse and year. You can change this destination in a destination I told you. And these are history, and these are social media and about. So, okay. We can simply full screen, click in full screen, and as you can see, the full screen capture here and here. It says this screenshot store here. Or you can simply screen a region or use the shortcut. Region, simply click and drag. You can store a region here. And here, these images are stored in a screenshot. You can use them. Okay, this is simple workflow and interface of ShareX. In the next lessons, we go in depth or in these settings and menus.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now, you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.